How to fix YouTube audio video sync error. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're having that kind of issue, we can fix it by following the steps. So first thing is trying to closing the app and reopening the app. So go ahead and close the app. After that, go ahead and reopen the app and see if that fixes the issue or not. Otherwise, you can also try refreshing your page by just scroll your page down in your account. Your page should be refreshed. Otherwise, you can also check your internet connection. Sometimes a slow or unstable connection can cause audio or video to get out of sync. So you can try switching between Wi-Fi in your device and see if that works or not. So you can head over to Wi-Fi. Otherwise, sometimes high quality video can also cause sync problems. So to fix this, you can lower the video resolution. So for that, you can head over to a video first. And after you are there, at the top of the video, you should be finding a settings icon. Tap on it. And it gives you quality option. Tap on it. And from quality, go ahead and choose advanced. You can go to the data saver option, which is lower picture quality, this one right here, and see if that works. After that, make sure you're using the latest version of the YouTube app. So head over to Play Store, and from Play Store you can go ahead and search for YouTube. And then ensure your app is updated to the latest version. If you're using Android phone, you can clear the cache of the app. That can also help. So head over to YouTube, long press on it, head over to the info section at the top. After that, from the given options, you need to scroll down, head over to storage, and go ahead and clear the cache. And that is it. That is it. If you follow the steps, your YouTube audio and video should be synced up perfectly. So if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in the next one.